Nice. Nice design. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What's up, man?
What's up, bud?
Can you tell me your name? What's in here? I remember you from last time.
Yeah, Mike Crane. I got 3 Sundown SV2 15s on a 17K.
Yep.
2000 scar for the doors. Rocket fall case for the door speakers.
Nice. You built all this?
Yes.
Very nice. What made you do the style box like you did instead of it having like all 3 subs lined up?
So it was a collaborative kind of design. So
Okay.
Drew Jones designed the box, and then I collaborated with a guy out of Vegas, and we came up with the enclosure in the middle. Just different.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
It looks good, and it's nice and sealed off, and you can see pretty much the whole box design. That looks sweet.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, and it, I mean, it likes its lows.
What is it tuned to frequency-wise?
43.
43, okay.
Yeah.
Is it like a 2-to-1 then, around the ratio? 2-to-1? Okay. Very nice. So you don't have an extreme peak, but you still have a peak, but it's also really good flat response.
Yeah, all the way across.
Very
and
nice.
the truck's solid.
Yeah, you can't see much flex, which is good.
Yeah, no, I got
contains the base.
180 force.
Okay.
Truck.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna go look at the back real quick, just because I wanted to see how it looks.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah.
Woo. Ah, nice. Nice design. Looks really good. And if it rains or anything, you have a covering.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, it was a 4 months to build.
Oh, I'm sure. Oh yeah. Nice. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Jake Carvalho. Quick little commentary. Then Mike's going to be giving me a 3-song bass demo, so a really good job with him showcasing the system. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Really unique to see this 315 subwoofer variant system. So go ahead and let him know what you think about his system. Let him know something you like by commenting if you haven't already. And let's dig into some of the things I want to mention. So this is a 3-sub variation system. I like the way he has everything inverted, and it's a full see-through blow-through system. So you're able to see into the box, especially while you're demoing. My wife got some outside flex you'll get to enjoy later in the video as well. So you can see the subflex action while it's playing. It does move a little bit because there's not going to be a way to brace it 100%, but this is some really thick glass still, and it handles the bass really well. Also, I like the way he has his port entry here. Did a good job showcasing the vehicle as well as the system, and you can see the motor mounts inverted in a 3K scenario system. That's kind of a way that's cool look. I actually like the way it looks. So you can see it's a triple baffle box, so they did a good job building it. So anyway, shout out to you, Mike, if you're watching. Everybody, shout out to y'all watching my daily cardio videos. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. And we're about to get to a crazy demo. He's about to give me a 3-song demo. And one last thing is, this is a 17,000 watt amplifier at 1.3 ohm. He's actually about to let me know that now. I just figured out that I'd let y'all know. Since it's a 3-sub variant, he doesn't have it at 1 ohm. It's at 1.3 ohm. So a really beefy amplifier as well. Did a really good job staging everything and make it look clean. So anyway, enjoy the demo. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. And I'm going to guess this is either 0.7 or 1.3?
1.3.
1.3, okay. All right.
Here's my my bass test.
is like the best demo bass response that you can test out every frequency to see how your system does. And it doesn't fall off really anywhere.
Nah.
Really good musical. One more. All right.
Mama don't get too many bands, too many bitches on my slime. We got time, she ain't telling you lies. The business 100 miles. I got bad. And I really make it to me. Oh, 70 man. Don't press it, roll it. Some say do that. I don't tell. Don't wanna rent it. Too many bitches on my slime.
Thank you for the demo.
No problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you again, man.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.